Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger. All right, as you can see here, I have a lot of chats right here. Now, if you want to block someone, just go ahead and tap on the chat. For example, this one right here, my sister. So what we're going to do to block the person is just basically tap on this information icon right here at the top, right? All right, tap. Now, once you're in this section, just go ahead and scroll down, all right, until you find the option block right here. Tap on it. There will be a prompt that asks you if you want to block the particular person. All right, as you can see here, when you block someone, it automatically unfriends them on Facebook, prevents unwanted contacts, and they won't be notified. All right, you can just unblock from your privacy and safety settings. All right, just go ahead and tap on block right here, and you'll be good to go. Now, if you want to unblock the person, for example, all right, again, what we're going to do is just tap on these three horizontal lines right here, tap on it, and go to the gear icon. Once you're in here, all right, go to privacy and safety as what it says earlier. Tap on it. Now, as you can see here, and who can reach you, under that, there's an option called blocked accounts. Tap on it, and you will see a list of blocked persons right here. If you want to unblock one, just go ahead and tap on the person, all right, and hit on unblock. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.